So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Tuesday, 19th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened in the past and before making our future projections. So over here to the left, we can see 1252, and we saw this sell off all the way down to 1252. We've had a bounce toward at 1277, had a brief pullback, another couple of tests of 1277 before we saw the breakdowns. This weekly pivot in around at 1215. In around 1215, we've had a retracement up to the 400 period average. Again, we've come back down to 1215. Held 1215, and we did see this move to the upside to retest this 1277. Didn't see much of a reaction in around this 1252. Now, about 1277, we did see a brief breakdown, and we didn't go down. We did see a brief breakdown. Well, the retracement didn't send us all the way back down to 1215, which is a somewhat bullish sign. So we've got our lows down here, potentially a higher low there. We've broken back within the trading range. The trading range I've just mentioned, I think here we are. Oh, just bear with me a second here. Not sure why that has come up. Let's get rid of that. Yep, there we are. So there's no reason for that to come up. So we've come down here. Well, we've had a breakdown below this 1252, and instead we've posted a what could be seen as a higher low just there. We've broken back within the trading range of 1252 to 1277. Now, if we do trend to the upside and we test 1277, it would have been tested several times now, this 1277, and we could potentially see a break towards our 200 period moving average marked out here in blue, a break from which we were looking for 1304, and above that we were looking for 1356, which is a very, very strong level. So we'll have a look towards our 1356 if we do successfully navigate 1277, the 200 period moving average, and 3304. Now, those are our potential upside targets if we do see that breakout above this 1277. However, if we do see a breakdown in prices, we'll see our prices, if prices do hold 1252, a breakdown from which, from 1252, we would also need to break the confluence of this 400 period moving average just marked out here in black. So if we do successfully navigate the 400 period moving average as well as this 1252, we're potentially looking for a price head towards our 1215. A break from 1215, this should be 1160, I think. Yes, there we are, 1160. So a break from 1215, we'll be looking for a move all the way down to 1160. So we've mentioned our upside targets, we mentioned downside targets, as well as the dynamic levels. So what we'll do now is we'll head over to the daily chart before wrapping up here. So if we head over to the daily chart, it's getting on here correct. And as you can see on this daily chart, we're still operating in the shadow of this very strong bearish candle just there. We've got a very strong bearish candle all the way from 1356. And there is at present we do appear to have a degree of indecisiveness. We do appear to have a degree of indecisiveness on this daily chart in light of the pretty strong sell-off on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that should wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.